Hi, everybody. Joe Cioffi here. Weather in a minute. Wednesday, the 17th of September. Looking at the satellite loop this morning, the storm system that has been over eastern Virginia. The low center is weakening and meandering a bit today, but we also have some bands of rain that are showing up on the radar. I'm going to give you a closer look here of what we're dealing with respect to this. And the low, so you can just sort of see still there's a rotation here in Chesapeake Bay, and clouds from up off the ocean are lifting northward. I think this is going to probably be a day of mostly gloom and doom type conditions with lots of clouds and temperatures probably no higher than the upper 60s and low 70s. And I mentioned this last night. When you look at the radar, the areas of rain, it's on the blotchy side. You've got patches here, patches there, and then in between all that, you have an area where there's not much going on, which at least as of 7:30 this morning is the case through a good chunk of eastern Pennsylvania to southern New England. The exception is that we do have some rain in southern New Jersey down into Delaware and eastern Virginia, and also a band that is in southeastern Connecticut and runs along the coast out to Hyannis and Nantucket. So that today we'll probably see some showery rains around here and there. I don't expect the rainfall to be continuous. I think we're going to get some breaks in there. And I also do not expect the rainfall to amount to much. The only exception to that is going to be to the south. I think if you're in South Jersey and point southward, and also parts of southern Pennsylvania, you actually got some of those areas that got a good soaking yesterday. So you might have some more to deal with today. So it's a matter of just waiting for this low to get out of the way. And you notice that the models do tend to weaken it overnight, still having an onshore flow and maybe some patchy leftover showers into Thursday morning, but then it'll be gone. We'll have gradual improvement as we move through Thursday and Friday. Friday, a cold front will be passing southward across upstate New York and New England and dropping down into the mid-Atlantic states because we have another big high building down from the north, and that's going to set us up for a mostly nice and dry weekend. Temperatures Saturday will be a little bit cooler than Sunday. And then as we move into next week, we'll probably warm up some before we deal with a cold front later in the week and the chance for some rain or showers. Also, there's likely to be a tropical storm or hurricane somewhere well to the east of Florida. This system is going to recurve and move out to the northeast, and I don't see it being any threat to the east coast of the United States. More tonight on the Joe and Joe Weather Show podcast at 7:35 p.m. on YouTube.